Welcome to Tiny Towns USA. In this segment, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into your main content pages. For this example, I'm going to be using Angini Jewelry, and I'm going to be editing the About Us page. I'm going to show you the About page, which is up here, which is one of the main pages. As you can see, there's an image in that one, so that's what we're going to do. In this, we have no image. So to make this a little bit more interesting, I'm going to try to put an image right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the dashboard. And being that I want the image to be beside this content and on the right, I'm going to put my mouse right here on the left, right in front of the first word. And if you go right up here, there is some text that says upload-insert, and we have add media. And the little icon has a camera, and it looks like a musical notes. So I'm going to click on that little button, and it's going to pop up a screen where you can manage your media. So what I want to do is I want to find an image that is on my desktop. So I'm going to hit Select Files. And this is going to allow me to find an image on my desktop that I want to use for this page. So this is nice. So I'm going to choose this picture of earrings. And if you notice, I'm not having to worry about sizing this image because Tiny Towns USA, the dashboard, does all of this for you. So you don't need to worry about having Photoshop or any kind of image editor. As long as your image, your original image, looks good, you can do all of this just from the Tiny Towns dashboard. So as you can see, it's saying it's crunching, which that means that it's minimizing the size. Okay, if you scroll down here, you can see the image that I've uploaded. Now for SEO purposes, I definitely want to go in and put a title for this piece. So I'm going to say turquoise Native American dangle earrings. As remember, people can't search images. You might have a really cool item for sale, but you really need to put in descriptive words so people can find that when they are searching in the search engines. Okay, so then I'm going to go down here. The next thing is to go to link URL. I'm going to erase that address that they put in there. Underneath that, I have alignment, and I decided that I want to put that on the right of my text. So I'm going to hit the radio button that says right. Now we come down here for size, and it gives me a variety of size options. Now 720 by 478 is very large, and I do not want the image to be that big. The medium size is usually always your best bet because it is 300 pixels wide by 199. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say insert into post. So I'm going to click this button. You just have to wait a minute because Tiny Towns is working on getting that image in for you. So you can see that we have our image in there now. Now I'd like to see what that looks like on the front end. So I'm going to update my work. You're going to want to wait until that little circular scroll finishes doing its job until you go into preview it. Okay, now I can view the page. And now you can see my image is in there, and it looks very, very nice. Now let's say that I wanted to put a border on that image just to emphasize it a little bit more. And say that I wanted to have some more space between the corner of my image and the text. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I need to do is go back to my dashboard. Now I'm going to click on the image that I just inserted, and you're going to see that it selects it. And I'm going to, if it goes away, just click it again. You click on the image, this edit image little icon. Now we've already done this first part. We put in our title and everything. We're going to go up to the next little tab that says Advanced Settings. Okay. Now I come down here and you can ignore the source. That's just saying where the image is. The size we've already done. The class, don't worry about that. And underneath styles you're going to see image properties. Now the border, I'm going to want to put a 1 pixel border. That makes a very thin border. You'd only want to go probably 1, 2, 3. 3 is going to be the thickest. Now your vertical space is the amount of space that is between the text and the top of your picture and the bottom of your picture. And then the horizontal space is on the horizontal sides. So I'm going to put in 10 pixels. Now this is something you can experiment with. You just have to go back in and get it the numbers to the point where you like how it looks. Now I'm going to say update. Okay. And I'm going to update over here. That just saves everything that I've just done. I'm going to wait for that little scroller bar to finish what it's doing. Then I'm going to say View Page. And now you can see I've got a border around my image. And I've got 10 pixels between my text and my image. So that is the end of this tutorial.